Hi students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from chapter 14 Semiconductor Electronics. And today is not problem solving session. This session will be questionnaire session. That is 7 questions will be floated here, and then in next session we will solve the problem, that is how to find a solution for these 7 problems. Let's move to question number 1. Out of the following, which one is a forward biased diode? Here, 4 circuits given with minus 4 volt, minus 2 volt, that is option A. Option B, 2 volt and 5 volt. Option C, minus 2 volt plus 2 volt. D option, 0 volt with minus 3 volt. So, in this 4 circuit, which one is forward biased? If that is here, you should know or you should have some knowledge about forward bias and reverse bias of the circuit. Then only you can solve these questions. Let's move to question number 2. An LED is constructed from a PN junction diode using GaAsP. What is GaAsP? Gallium arsenide phosphide. The energy gap is 1.9 EV. What is EV? Electron volt. The wavelength of the light emitted will be equal to dash. Option A, 10.4 into 10 power minus 25 meter. Option B, 654 nanometer. C option, 654 Armstrong. D option, 654 into 10 power minus 11 meter. That is using the given data LED. What is LED? Light emitting diode. And using LED, here was the given data, energy gap is given, and you should find the wavelength of the light. Okay, that is using the formula you can easily solve. And before that, EV you have to convert into SI unit. That is very important. Let's move to question number 3. A PN photodiode is fabricated from a semiconductor with a band gap of 2.5 EV. It can detect a signal of wavelength dash. A option, 6000 Armstrong. B option, 4000 nm. What is nm? Nanometer. C option, 6000 nanometer. D option, 4000 nanometer. Here also band gap is given as 2.5 EV. You should convert into SI unit, and then you should find the wavelength, and the answer is given in Armstrong or nanometer. So you should have idea about Armstrong and nanometer. What is 1 Armstrong? 10 power minus 10 meter. What is 1 nanometer? 1 nanometer equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. So by applying this, you can solve this problem. Let's move to question number 4. A NPN transistor is connected in common emitter configuration, which is given in this circuit figure, in which collector voltage drop across load resistance 800 ohm connected to the collector circuit is 0.8 volt. The collector current is dash. That is, you should find IC. And option A, 2 milliampere. B option, 0.1 milliampere. C option, 1 milliampere. D option, 0.2 milliampere. Okay, so using the given data, you should find collector current IC in terms of milliampere. So you should have knowledge about milliampere and ampere relationship. Let's move to question number 5. The input signal given to a CE amplifier. What is CE? Common emitter mode. CE amplifier having a voltage gain of 150 is Vi equal to 2 cos 15t plus pi by 3. The corresponding output signal will be dash. That is, here you should find the output signal. Option A, 300 cos 15t plus pi by 3. B option, 75 cos 15t plus 2 pi by 3. C option, 2 cos 15t plus 5 pi by 3. D option, 300 cos 15t plus 4 pi by 3. Here you should find the output signal. So you should know the knowledge of formula about voltage gain in terms of input signal and output signal. Based on this, you should find the output signal or output voltage. Let's move to question number 6. The transfer ratio beta of a transistor is 50. The input resistance of the transistor when used in the common emitter configuration is 1 kW. kW means kilowatt. The peak value of the collector AC current for an AC input voltage of 0.01 volt peak is dash. Here you want to find the peak value of the current. Option A 100 mu A. What is mu A? Microampere. B option 0.01 milliampere. C option 0.25 milliampere. D option 500 microampere. Let's move to last question, seventh question. In the combination of the following gates, the output Y can be written in terms of inputs A and B as dash. That is, circuit diagram is given, logic gate diagram is given. From that, you should find output from the input A and B. A and B is given based on the gates truth table. You have to apply, and then output Y you should find. Y equal to 4 option is given. Option A dot A and with B complement, whole complement plus A and with B. And B option is A and with B complement, or that is plus A and with A and complement into B. And C equal to A and B whole complement. D option A or with B whole complement. So here you should know the knowledge about OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate or NOT gate. So by using the knowledge, because here OR gate is given, AND gate is given, NOT gate is also given. So by having the knowledge and by having the truth table of this, you can find the solution. Thank you, students. In next session, we are going to solve the solution, how to find the solution of these 7 questions. Thank you, students.